কথা কইছে আওয়াজ হচ্ছে। ঠিক করে না। আসছিল।
Hello, Norman.
Hello, hello, Terry Clark. Thank you so much to join with me. How are you?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
I am fine and nice to meet you. And I have already completed your project and I am sharing my screen and you see what I have done for you. Okay.
Okay, great.
Thank you. Uh, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Okay. So first I go GTM and I go preview mode, GTM preview mode. With your website. If I see in GA4 debug mode connected with uh, Google Analytics debug view. Uh, First, I am saying you that I have configured many of events and also fixed some of tactical issue from your previous setup. And I have already configured some of event like fat button click, muscle button click, premium button click, calculator button click, and also shop now button click, and also this audio play button click and article button click, and also this social media button click, and also scroll 20 25 50 75 and 100% scroll, and uh, YouTube video view and YouTube video complete and YouTube video 30% view and 50% 60% view, and everything I have configured. Just you can check, and I am testing this. Okay.
Okay.
Now your website is connected in GTM debug view and also connected GA4 debug view, and I have tested this in previous. And first I was visit website and Facebook been inspired, and second I am doing pad button click, and here button click tag is paired and scroll main tag. I have already scrolled some of events, right? Previous sometime I have scrolled this, and in here pad button click is receiving Google Analytics 4. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, and also I am doing muscle button click, and I have done everything, and we will test this at a time in Google Analytics in Google Tech Manager. It's take if I see separately take minute times, and muscle button click is fire and also receiving Google Analytics 4. And if I also click on premium button click, and mm, premium button click is fired, and if I click on calculator, will be fired. Just to take also another one. Also I click on shop now,
If you count calories to gain
Okay, when doing that, then everything will be fired. I hope everything I have already checked. Just it take time to loading. And if I scroll, also click article button, click right.
Norman, that muscle click tag, it's got an A in it.
Sorry.
Yeah, that muscle tick click, the muscle click one, it's got an
Mus-
A. It's got right there. It's supposed to be spelled MUSCLE. But when you go into Google Analytics, the the um the tag is saying it's got an A in it. So if you go back, yeah, into Google Analytics, it's not spelled correctly.
uh,
Right there, notice it, the spelling on it, it's not spelled correctly. Yeah, you can see it right there. It's got an A in it. It's not supposed to have an A in it.
no.
Muscle, right, it doesn't have an A. It's supposed to be without the A.
Muscle click and
Yeah, muscle's supposed to be without an A. Like it's not spelled correctly.
alright, I'm checking. Muscle. It's mistake. Uh,
The spelling on the tag is not correct.
yeah, yeah. I am fixing this and
Right there, yeah.
perfect. Mm, sorry, now perfect, right? Can you tell me, I have already said you which events is I have configured, but you have also any uh, expectation that you need to track. Can you tell me?
Say that again? Could you repeat that?
I have already said you that I have what I have configured for you, but some of times for network issue that's isn't working properly, but it's already work. I have already checked, and if you check on GA4 events, you can see everything. But do you have any expectation of others that I have configured?
Yeah, the clicks for the count looks good. What about the values? Because I had set up some triggers for values. Like I
Yeah.
ass- yeah, I had assigned values, but when I go into the engagement report, I can't see them.
I have already sent with every events with values. Like if I when I track this fat button click or muscle button click, but I have with this event I was sent in Google Analytics the button click value and parameters. If you see in here, uh, with every events, click URL and click text. Click URL and click text is completely separate from another event. Okay, and you can make more of custom audience based on parameters and values. Okay,
Right. What about the value? Like I had assigned money values um to like some of them, like the scroll and stuff. I tried to so that when I went into the engagement, it would tell me it would assign a dollar value to each click or to each type of engagement.
but I wasn't I wasn't add the value of quantity value like I seen that some of events you maybe add uh 50 cent or $1 value, right?
Right, yes.
Yes, but do you want with every events to send this value?
Yeah, I want those values signed so that, I kind of have some way of helping me to analyze and determine, when a person clicks, how that's helping me grow my website. So like that 50 cent value, I want that there so that when I can that's a way, in addition to the count, an additional way for me to know how I'm progressing.
So now you can tell the what values will be for this button and how you observe this.
Yeah, I want to say I saved that somewhere. Let me see.
Mm,
Yeah, yeah,
this
yeah. I got
tweet
it.
or what is the
What I got is I got a what's column here. I'm gonna drop it into uh Fiverr right quick. I'll drop it in here. You can see, because I had it on the board. It's something that I've been working on. So let's see. Okay, so I just sent it in Fiverr so you can kind of see the values that I had assigned. Yeah. Hey, so I set values for page view, first page, add click, yeah, form submit, scroll.
I will add with every events with values. Okay,
Okay. Yeah,
I'll add this.
yeah, for the social media clicks, yeah, they were 50 cents each now.
Which one?
Oh, for it now, it's just for the social media up top. Like those type of buttons, any of the other buttons that they're moving around the page on, if you can assign a value that's maybe like the scroll value on it, Like if they leave the page, I kind of see that part. But yeah, so if they're clicking like that fat or muscle, if you can assign a value to that, like maybe 5 cent or something, because that's pretty much what the scroll was 5. I'm just trying to first visit's 10.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, just kind of have the same kind of.
Yeah. Where signing? This visit is helpful for you. This visit. Hello.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, my network was restored. That's why I have left from the meet and I have again joined.
Okay, okay, not a problem. Is there anything else you need to share with me?
Sorry.
Do you have anything else you got to share or you need to share with me? Is
Sorry.
there is there any other information you need to go over with me?
I'm I cannot hear you clearly. Please say again.
Okay, okay, so we're okay. We don't need to talk about anything else, or is there something else you've got to show me?
My another recommendation is for you. I have configured everything on browser side, but do you advertising also Facebook or other or Google Ads?
Yeah, I use Google Ads.
But do you set up Google Ads conversion tracking?
I got AdSense tracking. It's on there. I got Google AdSense tracking.
You have set up to Google Ads tracking, right?
Right, right. Yeah, it's set up for Google AdSense and ad impressions.
Uh, okay, but uh, Google and Facebook and Google Analytics is recommend for accurate data tracking. Google recommend to set up server side tracking. But I seen that in Google Analytics 4 you haven't set up Google Analytics server side tracking. It helps to track accurate user and user activities. So I recommend this. Now I have set up for you and browser side tracking. And also you need to set up server side tracking for accurate data tracking and reporting, etc. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, send me more information on it in Fiverr so I can look over it.
I have already configured for my another of client of this, and if you see in here my another of client, uh, that's this one. Get a luxury home. I have configured for him Google Ads conversion tracking and server side tracking both. You are saying, and I have used is step server for
Right.
for
Yeah. Yeah, I would like that.
I cannot hear you. Hello,
Yes.
you're telling anything? I cannot hear you.
Oh, say that again. I can't understand.
Mm, Start from uh, again or else.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm having a hard time understanding. So can you like share that with me via Fiverr? It might be easier for me to read it.
Okay, okay, okay. You can check.
Hold on, let me see. I'm in here. Let me go to orders. Okay. Yeah, if you can share with me what you're suggesting via Fiverr, if you can share it with me there or put it in the chat so I can look over it. Let me see here.
Also have many things and many issue for server side taking. Just I said you briefly. If you say I can describe details.
Okay.
Okay, I am describing recently iOS and Safari browser user and iOS device updated their version. Previous version is 11, 12, 30 and recently updated 40, 50, 60, 70, and that's why iOS user and Safari user and other browser user data we cannot track their uh, their own privacy and their own data protection rules. But if we want to track those who use Safari, who use Apple, or who use another browser or another device, if we want to track those, we need to set up server side tracking to track all the users. Okay. uh, for
Okay.
ITP issue we cannot track those type of user and activities, and this type of issue is facing for browser side tracking. And server side tracking help us to track all users without any ITP block issue, without any type of device issue or any type of browser issue. No method is broke any user activity uh, activity to server side tracking. That's help us. Okay.
Right.
But my English proficiency, I hope I cannot fully expert, but it's my mm, standard level. But I am not fluent on English, so I cannot tell you. You cannot you do not say anything. I'm sorry for the issue,
Yeah,
but
yeah. Share it with me in Fiverr, like, or like send me something here. If you wanna also share it, you can share it to me here. I'll send you my email address because if I can read it, I can better understand it. Okay. But that's my email address right there. So if you got like a promotional package or something or information, if you got it written down somewhere, you can share with me on that email address or share it with me on Fiverr, then I can look over it and you know let me know how much it costs, and then we can kind of go that way with it as well. But I would need to look over it and see exactly what you're talking about before I can respond or agree to it.
I was shared my email with you for give me access via Google Analytics 4 and Google Tag Manager. But uh, but after completing this project, if you want to set up server side tracking, uh, you need to offer another order, and then I will start this. And to start this, I also need a GTM server container and one of step server container. You can create this and give me access. I will start this again. Okay. And also one thing is important for you. That's it's your if you see in Google Analytics report section, uh, here it is default GA4 default dashboard, but we can customize this and we can make a custom dashboard based on business. Okay, but here we see that sales, but uh, it's not interacted with your business, and also have another some of different metrics. So we need to, I hope it's need to custom dashboard creation based on your business performance and categories, and also need to custom definition with every events. So I have already configured for my another of my client of to create custom dashboard. It's one of blog site and some of sales site, and I have configured for him this type of custom dashboard creation. And also I was do this for Google Ads conversion tracking and many things. And if you see in here, mm, this type of custom dashboard creation, and it's help you to easily understand your business performance by clicking few click. Okay, most of the user coming uh, on your website, and how they come in your website, Google organic or Google paid or Facebook, how much user coming from in a social media platform or in a site. We can measure everything by few click. Understand? Hello?
Yeah, I don't have a question. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, so can you like share those gigs via the platform?
Hmm.
So like so like in Fiverr, whatever gigs you're talking about, if you can like post a link for them in our communication, yeah, like right in there somewhere, if you kind of underneath at the bottom down there, just share the links to the gigs, and I can go look at them and then just decide which ones I want to do next.
Which link I you need?
Well, you got gigs for this, right? For these things that you're saying that
Yeah,
my
yeah. I
yeah,
have the
yeah, if you can share the gigs with me, or if I can go on your site, I may just go there and look for them myself they're not shared, and then that way I can figure
so
out.
it's custom work. I haven't any gig on GA4 custom revision, but I have some of I have gig with another gig. I have offered server side tracking and custom reporting, but it doesn't matter. But I can send you an offer based on our price. You can accept, and I can start my work.
Okay,
No need I can send you an custom offer, and so you can tell me. I will set up for you server side tracking with all events, and also I will create for you custom dashboard creation and how much do you want to pay, and I will send an offer. You accept this.
okay, that'll work.
I able to send an offer to you. Just you you tell me how much is your best price or is.
Okay, so I'll go over it, look at it, and then I'll have a better answer once I know what it involves. Because right now I don't know anything. Okay, good deal.
Okay. I able to create I able to create a GTM server container and I have access this. I able to create GTM server container. Just I need a step server container. Okay.
Okay.
Just you go step.io and create an account and give me access from here, and then I will receive this and I able to create one of GTM server container.
Okay, that'll work.
Okay, you can see. Wait, wait.
Okay, so yeah, I got another call I got to get on. So I'll look over it and then and then I'll once I fully understand it, I'll accept it and kind of let you know what I can afford to do and what I can't. Okay?
Yeah. Uh, but for network issue, I sometimes I cannot hear it clearly, and this issue is. Mm. So, so I can offer my price or is. Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm listening.
Uh, if I say I will set up for your server side tracking, you will pay 60 USD and custom dashboard creation uh, with all events and with customly created dashboard. This price is 70. Okay, it's
Okay.
perfect or is.
Okay, so share with me then, because right now I think we're both having difficulties understanding each other. So if you share it with me via Fiverr, I'll look over and then I can respond to it via Fiverr with text. I think we'll fare better with that. Okay, that good?
I don't understand.
Say that again.
I'll set up for your server side tracking. It will search for 50 and custom dashboard creation is 70. I was said that. Okay.
Okay, so right, and then
Thank
I'll
you.
look. Okay, good deal. All right, thanks.
I can send you an offer or is
Yeah, send me an offer so I can look over it. Yeah, because like,
okay. I am sending you an offer. You accept this and create an step account and give me access. I will start for
okay.
okay.
All right, good deal, Norman. Okay, I hate to run so fast,
Okay.
but right now I got another call I got to
Okay.
get on.
Thank
Okay, thank you.
thank you so much. Bye. এই যে ইংলিশ কয় হ্যাঁ ফুল ফ্লুয়েন্ট কথা বোঝা যায় না।
দুই একটা আছে কথা বলা কিন্তু রাইটিং করে যে স্পষ্ট বোঝা যাচ্ছে তো
একদম ফ্লুয়েন্ট এরা মনে হয় নাইজেরিয়ান নাকি কেউ নাইজেরিয়ানরা কথাই ব্যবহার করে বেশি এক্সাম্পল না
আচ্ছা, ট্রাকম্যান ওয়েবসাইট থেকে আমরা কিন্তু স্টার কিনছিলাম আগে, টেলিগ্রাম স্টার, বাট বর্তমানে সেখানে কিন্তু কেওয়াইসি ছাড়া কেনা যাচ্ছে না। আপনারা যদি ট্রাকম্যান থেকে কিনতে চান তাহলে এক মাস আপনাদের কেওয়াইসি করতে বলা হবে, কেওয়াইসি ছাড়া আর কোনোভাবে কিনতে পারবেন না।